So welcome to the second Accelerating Medicine's Partnership and Schizophrenia All Investigators meeting. I'd like to thank everyone who's joined today. The next slide is going to show just some meeting rules and guidelines. So wanted to let you know, you just heard the meeting is going to be recorded. Please use the chat window to submit any questions that you have, and please include your name. And we have a Zoom timer that's going to be used to ensure that all the presenters adhere to the time outlined in the agenda, because it's a very full agenda today. And if a speaker reaches their time limit and there are unaddressed questions in the chat, we ask kindly that the speaker address the questions following their presentation. The next slide is a big call out, shout out to everyone. I know you can't see it. There's so many names here and we couldn't really fit them all on there, but you know who you are. We want to thank all of you who have been working so hard on the technical working groups, developing the SOPs, the protocols, the data pipelines, the REDCap and RPMS instruments. And many of you have spent countless hours invested in harmonizing the study protocol, the informed consents, and getting ready to launch and begin enrollment, including the development of a wonderful website. We'd also like to thank the DPAC, who is organizing the second virtual annual investigators meeting, and we look forward to the presentations today. And in particular, I would like to shout out to Tina Kapoor, to Omar John, to Simone Veal, and to Cheryl Corcoran. Thank you so very much, all of you. Been just a wonderful job. The next is a short overview of the meeting agenda. The next slide, which you see, we're going to be hearing welcoming remarks from Dr. Joshua Gordon, who has a pre-recorded presentation. We're going to hear from the research networks and the data processing DPAC Center. We have talks from early career investigators, a very short break, and then we're going to hear talks about open tools for reproducible science, translational learning healthcare, Back to the Future, another short break, and then we're going to hear leveraging community to support people with schizophrenia, and then we'll conclude with a panel discussion of patient perspectives to enrich scientific discovery. So we have a great lineup, and the next slide is just a reminder to all of you who are interested in accessing the data that will soon be flowing into the collaboration space and the DPAC dashboard, that data use certificates are needed in order to obtain access to the collaboration space and to the DPAC's dashboard called DP-Dash. And if your institution requires access to personal tracking device data, please also submit a data use certification that'll allow you to have access to this type of data. And again, same with data for the collaboration space permission group. So that's all I really wanted to share with you today to open the meeting. And now I think we would like to move to our first presentation.